Welcome to CyberCon Video Production. CyberCon is a leader in providing dedicated servers, cloud computing services, Web 3.0 website and application hosting, data center colocation, and big data solutions. In this video, I am going to show you how to install and set up the MetaMask Wallet extension with Chrome browser. Let's begin. First, enter metamask.io at the browser. Then click the Download Now button on the MetaMask website, followed by clicking the Install MetaMask for Chrome button. At the MetaMask page inside the Chrome Web Store, click the Add to Chrome button and then confirm to add the extension. Once the extension is installed, you will be directed to the MetaMask welcome page. You'll also see a button that says, Get Started. Click on Get Started to begin creating your MetaMask wallet. After you've clicked on Get Started, you'll land on the New to MetaMask page. On the page, you'll see a couple of options. This includes, No, I already have a secret recovery phrase, and Yes, let's get set up. The No, I already have a secret recovery phrase option allows you to import an existing wallet using a backup phrase. On the other hand, the Yes, let's get set up option allows you to create a new MetaMask wallet. Since this is your first time using MetaMask, click on Create a Wallet to create a new MetaMask wallet. After you've clicked on Create a Wallet, you'll land on the Help Us Improve MetaMask page. On this page, MetaMask states that they need to gather your usage data. This is to better understand how their users interact with the extension. You can choose, I agree, or no thanks. It is up to you. Now at the password page, you need to create a password for your MetaMask wallet. Firstly, create a password and enter it in the New Password field. Keep in mind that your password needs to contain a minimum of 8 characters. Next, re-enter your password in the Confirm Password field. Then, you need to read and agree to the terms of use. Lastly, click on Create to create a password. After you've created a password, you'll land on the Secret Backup Phrase page. In this step, you'll be given a secret backup phrase. Your secret backup phrase allows you to import your MetaMask wallet. Firstly, click on the lock icon to reveal the secret words. Then, copy your backup phrase and store it in a safe place. There are a couple of ways to store your backup phrase. This includes storing it in a password manager or writing it down on a piece of paper. Do not disclose your backup phrase as others will be able to steal your Ethereum. Once you've stored your backup phrase in a safe place, click on Next to proceed to the next step. After you've clicked on Next, you'll land on the Confirm Your Secret Backup Phrase page. Now that you've stored your backup phrase in a safe place, you need to confirm it. On the page, you'll see words from your recovery phrase in a jumbled order. To confirm your backup phrase, you need to select each word in the correct order. Once you've selected each word in the correct order, click on Confirm to confirm your backup phrase. All done. Thank you for watching. CyberCon is a leader in providing dedicated servers, cloud computing services, Web 3.0 website and application hosting, data center colocation, and big data solutions. Please visit our website at www.cybercon.com. Chat with us at our Discord server and subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive new video notifications. We placed useful info in the description below.